Bonjour. Today let's conjugate the verb réfléchir, which means to think or reflect in French, in 5 different tenses. Okay, let's have a look at the verb réfléchir. Now, réfléchir is a funny verb because it has an IR ending and it belongs to the second group verb. So, which means that you're going to conjugate it the same way as we conjugate finir, to finish. Let's have a look at what it looks like in the present tense. We want to say, I think, I reflect, I'm thinking, I'm reflecting. And so we say, je réfléchis. Have a look at the endings of this verb. Je réfléchis. It's not quite a first group. It's not quite a third group. Okay, it's the second group. Tu réfléchis. So you're thinking, you think. Il réfléchit. He thinks, he reflects. Elle réfléchit. She thinks, she reflects. On réfléchit. Okay, one thinks, one reflects. Nous réfléchissons. And this is what you want to learn. The new form of the present tense. I'll tell you why in a minute. Nous réfléchissons. We are thinking, we reflect, we think. Vous réfléchissez. Okay, that's quite a mouthful. You are thinking. Ils réfléchissent and elles réfléchissent. Okay, and this is very particular to the IR verb second group, is that you will hear the ison, ici, is sound. Okay, very important for you to know. And I'll tell you why in a minute. Let's have a look at the passé composé, so past tense. Now we want to say I have thought, okay, I reflected, it's a past tense, gone, done, over with. We are going to conjugate this one with the auxiliary avoir in the present tense. So I have, you have, and so on. J'ai, tu as, il a. And then add the past participle of réfléchir. For all of second group, it's easy. You drop the a, and there you've got your past participle. So réfléchi is what we want. J'ai réfléchi, I have thought, I have reflected, I reflected. Okay, remember, it's the same for us. In French, okay, you say I have thought, okay? Tu as réfléchi. You have thought, you have reflected. Il a réfléchi, okay, you get the rhythm of it. Elle a réfléchi, so he has thought, reflected. She has thought, reflected. On a réfléchi, one has thought, reflected. Nous avons réfléchi, so we have thought, reflected, okay? Vous avez réfléchi, okay, you have thought. Ils ont réfléchi, elles ont réfléchi, so they have thought. So in order to be able to form the passé composé, you need to know your verb to have in a present tense by heart. And what is the past participle of that verb too? So let's have a look at the imparfait. Okay, now the imparfait is an action that took place in the past and somehow carried on over a period of time. Now, in order to form that, we need the new form of the present tense. Nous réfléchissons. Remember, I asked you to keep hold of this for a minute because we are going to use that stem, réfléchissent. Not the ONS, but just the first stem, réfléchissent. And then we are going to add those special imperfect ending. So they are like that. Je réfléchissais. I used to think, used to reflect. Je réfléchissais. Réfléchissais. I was thinking or was reflecting. That's the same. Tu réfléchissais. Okay? Tu réfléchissais. So you were thinking, you were reflecting, or you used to reflect. Okay? It means the same in French. Tu, we've done that. Il réfléchissait. He was thinking. Elle réfléchissait, she was thinking. On réfléchissait, one was thinking. Nous réfléchissions. So watch out for that, it has an I here. Nous réfléchissions. Vous réfléchissiez. And il, elle réfléchissait. Now, the hardest thing will be nous réfléchissions. We used to think, okay? Because it has an I, where the present tense, if you look, is nous réfléchissons. So one I makes a lot of difference here. Okay, now let's have a look at the futur simple. Or should I say future? Simple. Futur simple. So we want to say I will reflect, I will think. Now, the way we do that, we keep the verb as it is, réfléchir, and we add these special endings. Je réfléchirai. I will think. I will reflect. Tu réfléchiras. Okay, you will think, you will reflect. Il réfléchira. Okay, he will think, he will reflect. Elle réfléchira. Again, the same. She will think, she will reflect. On réfléchira. One will think. Nous réfléchirons. We will think, we will reflect. Vous réfléchirez. So you will think, you will reflect. Ils réfléchiront. They will think, they will reflect. And elles réfléchiront. Masculine, the feminine plural version of they. Okay. Now have a look at the endings, and they match the avoir endings. J'ai, tu as, il a, elle a, on a, nous avons, vous avez, ils ont. Okay, so have a look at that. If you know how to conjugate to have in the present tense, then you will know the endings of the future tense. Now let's have a look what happens in the conditionnel présent. Okay, now in the conditional, it's a bit the same as the future tense. You keep exactly the same stem as the future tense, réfléchir, but you add the imperfect ending. So the endings for the imparfait. So je réfléchirais, I would think, or I would reflect. Tu réfléchirais, well done, you would think, you would reflect. Il réfléchirait, again, he would think. Elle réfléchirait, she would think. On réfléchirait. Again, you just have to follow the endings of the imparfait, okay? Nous réfléchirions. Okay, watch out here. Rions, I-O-N-S. Okay, sinon, nous réfléchirons. Okay, nous réfléchirions. One I makes a lot of difference in terms of the sense of that tense, okay, of the word. Vous réfléchiriez. Well done. You would think, you would reflect. Il and elle réfléchiraient. Nearly got it wrong here. Il and elle réfléchiraient. Okay, they would think and they would think. Okay, that's it for me. Subscribe to Learn French with Alexa, the YouTube channel awesome, and have a look at learnfrenchwithalexa.com for more support guides with these lessons. Au revoir, à bientôt, bisous bisous.